All right. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me. So now we're just doing the cranial arteries. Okay. As you could see, the arteries are not very well infused. But you can see the aorta, the aortic arc here. Okay. And so there is the brachiocephalic trunk, and you could see here it's not very well infused, my good friends, and these are nerves, obviously. So there's the aorta. You can see the arc, a little bit of the arc here. So like in the exam, I just want you to say aorta, and you can see this is the left subclavian artery, and this over here, which is kind of not as well infused. Well, it is kind of infused, but it's not as red as I would want. This will be the brachiocephalic trunk. Do you see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna scoot this to the side so you could see what I'm talking about. See, there's the brachiocephalic trunk. You don't see a third branch. You just see the left subclavian artery. And then you see the split here. This will be the right subclavian artery right here. You see what I'm saying? I scooted to this side. Okay. So there's the right subclavian. Do you see my good friends? Do you see? Do you see? I don't know if it's going to appear in the... So there's the left common carotid. You know? Like that. I don't know what I will do here. Okay. Do you see what I'm saying? So there is the left common carotid, but because it's just a branch of the aortic, the brachiocephalic trunk, which is this one, you see? So there is the branch. I want you to see the branch. So this branch here, common carotid on the left, common carotid on the right, but they're branching from the brachiocephalic trunk. And then there's the subclavian, and you could see that it's not very well infused, obviously. The internal mammary on the right. So there's the right subclavian. You see, it's not well infused. This will be nice and red. You'll be able to see it. And there's the common carotid on the left, on the right, common carotid on the left. Okay, and there's the brachiocephalic trunk, and then this one is the left common carotid. Okay, and then again, this is not well infused. Like I said, there's the internal mammary on the, you can see the red here, internal mammary artery on the right. On the left, this would be it over here, and you could see the left. Do you see it, my good friends? It's not well infused, but you can see the two nipples that I was talking about. You see there's a bit of red in this one, and it's coming from this, which is the left subclavian artery. Okay, so anyway, like here, it's not very much infused, but so I won't, waste your time with that. But again, the cats that we have on the pictures are very good cats. I'll check with tomorrow with the next one. So there's the common carotid, artery right here, and like I said, you see the larynx, and it's gonna split up here, so we don't see that, the internal and the external carotid arteries. But there's the common carotid at least, and there's the common carotid on the so sometimes we may be able to see the thyrocervical, okay, which is gonna be here, and as you can see here, you're continuing to have so the branch to the subscapular artery is not that much, but you could see over here now we're having the axillary artery, okay, the axillary artery, is starting over here after this little branch here, but anyway, and it's also going on this side, you see, because there's the subscapular vein, right, and there's the subscapular artery right there, and then from then on, this is the axillary artery, and then here a brachial artery going that side, and then I don't think we'll be able to see much of anything else here, but at least we saw the major parts, at least, you know what I'm saying, at least there's this left subclavian artery, and then there's the right subclavian artery, and this we saw the mammary on both sides, internal mammary arteries, and they do look like nipples, which you should remind you. See, there's that internal mammary artery on the right, internal mammary artery on the left. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a day and stop it right there.